minutes are enough. Read the question properly. Don't be in hurry. आपको जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है बच्चों. आप अच्छे से अपना क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, उसके बाद जो राइट ऑप्शन आपको लग रहा है वो ऑप्शन अपनी नोटबुक में लिखिए. ओके, डोंट बी इन हरी. You have 7 minutes. Okay, read every question carefully. Before reading the question, kids, read the heading also. आपको exactly क्या करना है question में. तो आप जो blue color का heading है उसको आंसर करने से पहले जरूर read कीजिए कि आपको क्या आंसर करना है. ठीक है. Okay, 1 minute is completed now. Shreya, turn on your camera, otherwise you will be disqualified. If I am visible to your on your screen, so you can slide it. आप उसे slide कर सकते हैं. Okay. 2 minutes are completed, kids. आपको जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ रहा है आप उसे पहले कीजिए, then go to the next one. Okay. Vanya Yadav. Who's this Vanya Yadav? Please turn on your camera, otherwise we will remove you from this meeting. Vanya Yadav. Kids, 3 minutes are completed. 3 minutes complete हो चुके हैं. ओके, जिसने भी आंसर्स दे दिए हैं सारे क्वेश्चंस के, प्लीज वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Who those have completed, please wait for the next slide. Okay, Aviral, if you have any problem, please drop your message in the chat box. Okay. अगर किसी को ये कंफ्यूजन है कि 9 क्वेश्चंस ओनली स्लाइड में विजिबल हैं, सो डोंट वरी किड्स. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड जो आपको शो की जाएगी उसमें आपका जो लास्ट वन क्वेश्चन है वो उसमें विजिबल होगा. ओके, 10th क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, so don't worry about that. If you are raising hand for this question, please down your hand. Okay. Okay, we have completed 5 minutes 30 seconds. 5 minutes 30 seconds we have completed. Now 1.5 minutes is left. Okay kids, 6 minutes and 10 seconds complete हो चुके हैं. Now you all have 40 seconds more. I hope everybody has completed. Please, who those are raising their hand, down your hands, please. I request you, down your hands, who those are raising hand. Okay, now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next slide. Here is the next slide, kids. For next 7 minutes. Don't worry, there is a technical issue. I will start it from the beginning, okay? This time will not be count there. Don't worry about it. Okay, once again, I am just restarting the timer, okay? You will get complete 7 minutes here, okay? Don't worry about it. It is silent. Mayank Thakur, turn on your camera. Mayank Thakur, turn on your camera, beta. Why you have turned it off? Riddhi, turn on your camera. Don't worry kids, जो भी technical issues हो रहा है, we will give you 1 more minute for this, so don't worry about it, okay? आपको जो भी थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल इश्यूज की वजह से प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ रही है, इट्स ओके, वी विल गिव यू 1 more minute for this. Keep it on silent. Don't worry, take your time. Okay, in 13 question, I just want to help you kids find the errors. आपको 13, 14, 15, 16 question में error find करनी है. Okay, A, B, C, D. आपको 4 options दिए हैं. ये complete sentence है. आपको इसमें find out करना है कि error कौन से वाले part में है. ठीक है, B part में है, C part में है, या फिर कोई error नहीं है. ठीक है, सो यू आर टू फाइंड एरर. जिसमें एरर है आप वो वाला ऑप्शन अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. ओके, सो रीड इट प्रॉपरली. आई एम रीडिंग द 14th क्वेश्चन. He will came today. He will came today. If you find any error in any ऑफ सेक्शन, अगर किसी भी सेक्शन में आपको लग रहा है कि कोई एरर है तो आप वो ऑप्शन लिखेंगे, अगर कोई एरर नहीं लग रही है आपको तो आप ऑप्शन नंबर डी लिखेंगे. ओके, सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. ओके, रीड इट प्रॉपरली, यू हैव इनफ टाइम. We have completed only 3 minutes. Okay, we have completed only 3 minutes. You have 5 minutes more. Relaxed, read it properly, then answer. Okay, kids, once again I am repeating 13th question. 13 number जो question है, I am repeating it. Kids, आपको error find करनी है इसमें. I were playing the guitar in the function. Okay, I were playing the guitar in the function. अगर इस सेंटेंस में आपको कोई भी एरर लग रही है किसी भी सेक्शन में तो आप वो ऑप्शन मेंशन करेंगे अपने आंसर शीट पे. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई भी एरर नहीं लग रही है देन यू विल मेंशन ऑप्शन नंबर डी. ओके, इन योर आंसर शीट. once again I am repeating the format how you are to do. Okay, similarly आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 पे करना है किड्स, एंड इन 16 ऑल्सो. ओके, now kids we have completed 5 minutes, you have 3 minutes more. आपके पास 3 more minutes है. प्लीज अगर आपने कर लिया है, कंप्लीट कर लिया है तो आप एक बार फिर से रीचेक कर लीजिए. ठीक है, you all are having 2.5 minutes. Okay, जिसने अपना टेस्ट पेपर कंप्लीट कर लिया है वो अपनी आंसर शीट की पिक्चर क्लिक करके मुझे मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे सेंड करेगा. दैट नंबर इज 8267096634. ओके, don't wait for the completion of timing. प्लीज सेंड मी राइट नाउ. अगर आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया है तो आप उसे सेंड कीजिए. ठीक है, now you have 2 minutes. You have only 2 minutes, kids. In question number 17, 18, 19 and 20, kids, आपको इसमें एक सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, आपको इसे क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, so read it properly and start sending your answer sheets. Okay, in question number 13, as you all are asking, in question number 13 आपको error find out करनी है. There is a sentence, I were playing the guitar in the function. Okay, so अगर आपको इस sentence में कहीं भी error दिख रही है, ठीक है, A section A में, B में, C में, ठीक है, अगर आपको किसी में भी दिख रही है तो आपको वो ऑप्शन मेंशन करना है. अगर कोई एरर नहीं दिख रही है सो आप ऑप्शन नंबर डी अपनी आंसर शीट में लिखेंगे. ओके, you have 30 seconds only. Okay, everybody has started sending me answer sheets. Good. Who those have completed, please send your answer sheets. You have only 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay, so test has done, kids. Very well done. I could see that before the timing, everybody started sending me answer sheets. So very good. I'm very impressed. Very nice. I just thought that completion timing complete hone ke baad bhi you will take some time, but very good. Before the time you send me your answer sheets. Very good. Shipra sent me, Sushank sent me, so many students send me. Very good. Okay, kids. So now test has completed here. Test that tension has gone now. Abhi tension khatam ho gaya. Okay. So now this is the time for celebration. So I hope you all are ready for this, and without wasting time, actually, without wasting time, let's start the celebration, the exactly celebration, dance, masti. Okay, so now kids, we have some performances here. So हमारे पास कुछ performances हैं. Okay. But first, I just want to request everyone, please turn on your camera. Why you are hiding yourself? You all are looking awesome. Everyone is looking awesome. Please look, Vara. Oh my goodness, Vara. You're looking so cute. Okay. And who's this? Arush. Arush? Where is your cap, Arush? Okay, so now we are having some performances. So let's start with Abhya, because Abhya wants to say something. Okay, so I just want to ask Abhya, please unmute your mic. Abhya, Abhya, आप अपना mic unmute कीजिए. I have permitted you, Abhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhya, so please, whatever you want to speak up, please, you can start it.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Diksha Tomar ma'am to give me such a wonderful opportunity to share my experience of English speaking classes at English Home. My name is Abhya Dikshit. I live in Agra. I study in 3rd A. The name of my school is St. Conrad's Inter College. As I study in English medium school, so I have to communicate with my teachers in English. But I felt that I stumbled while speaking English. My mom is very intelligent, sweet, and hardworking. She is not only give spoken English but also give tips for grooming. After attending classes at English, I feel that I can now talk to anyone in English. English Home is very amazing online platform for kids to get good command over English. I am thankful to ma'am and English Home. I am thank you Diksha ma'am and English Home. Thank you for listening me.
Oh, how sweet of you, Abhya. Please clap for Abhya. Abhya, you were so cute. You were looking so cute while speaking. I just love your hairband. Abhya, you are looking so cute in this. And thank you so much. As many times you said thank you to me or English home, 100 times I just want to say thank you for being a part of our English home. Thank you, Abhya. Thank you so much. Okay, so now next performance is from Chotu Divyanka. Okay, Divyanka will sing a song, and after Divyanka, Jasleen, be ready for your dance. Okay, so here is Chotu Divyanka. She is just 6 years old, and she is going to play guitar as well as going to sing a song also. Okay, okay. Divyanka's brother is also attending this meeting. Okay. So, Divyanka, you can unmute your mic now. I have unmuted, I have permitted you.
Start. 1, 2, 3, start. मेरी राहें तेरे तक है तुझ पे ही तू मेरा है इश्क मेरा शक है तुझ पे ही तू मेरा है तू छोड़ूंगी ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगी छीन लूंगी या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगी तेरे नाल तकदीर लिखवाऊंगी मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी तो तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगी कितने वादे लूं मैं निभाऊंगी तो कुछ हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगी मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी मेरी राहें तेरे तक है तुझ पे ही तू मेरा है Thank you for listening me. Have a nice time.
Very good, Divyanka. Very nice. How sweet you were. Very nice song. Very well played. Superb. Superb, Divyanka.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome, Cutie Pie. You're most welcome. Okay, so we are having next performance from Jasleen Kaur. She is going to dance here. Okay. So, Jasleen, are you ready? I have unmuted you. Okay. Okay. She has prepared properly. Actually, wait, beta. Okay. Wait, Peter. We were unable to hear the sound properly, so we are playing from our side. Okay. Okay, Jasleen. So we are playing. Okay. So here I am playing. What happened, Jasleen? What happened, Jasleen? Okay, unmute your mic. I have permitted you now.
Ma'am, can you please restart?
Okay, okay, ma'am. I'm restarting it. Okay, I'm sorry, Jasleen. I think you are unable to hear the song. So, okay, voice nahi aa rahi hai. I think, ma'am, there are some technical issues because when you were playing the song, we were unable to hear it. And I think the same thing is happening from our side. No problem. Jasleen, you can record your dance and send it to me personally. Okay? No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So our next performance is from Madhav's side. Madhav, are you there? Okay, Madhav, unmute your mic and let me know your song quickly.
मैम धीमे धीमे
What? Dhunde dhunde? Unmute your mic. Don't mute. Yeah.
धीमे धीमे
Dhime dhime. Okay. Dhime dhime. Okay, before Madhav's performance, kids, I just want all of you to reconnect the class because, as you know, after 40 minutes, there is a break. So, please, everyone, please rejoin the class quickly. Okay? Quickly come back.